Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that currently has the temporary Gmail alias. Once signed in, open your Google account settings. You want to confirm you can still recover the account and that no essential mail or contacts rely on this temporary address. Make sure to export or forward any messages you want to keep. Once done, navigate to Personal Info to find where the temporary address is listed, so you can remove it safely without losing access. Now you find the alias. Go to Personal Info, then Contact Info, and open Email to list alternate and recovery addresses. You will see the temporary alias. Click it and choose Remove or Edit as offered. Google often requires you to verify your identity with your password and two-step verification, so be ready to approve a prompt or enter a code. Once removed, check that no forwarding rules or filters still send mail to the old temporary address and delete those if present. Finish by confirming the temporary address no longer appears under email, and then send a test message from another account to ensure it's gone. Make sure you remove any Gmail filters or forwarding rules that reference that address, since those can keep routing mail. If you run into problems, such as verification failing or the address still appearing, retry the identity checks, clear browser cache, try another browser or device, and use account recovery options if Google blocks removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.